Welcome back to your French class. In today's lesson, we are going to learn les articles contractés. In the previous video, we had learned all the combinations of preposition a plus article défini, and in this video, we are going to learn all the cases of preposition the plus article défini. Now see how the construction goes on. First we'll learn the meaning of preposition the. Preposition the means of, from and about. But what if you want to say of the, from the, about the? Now we are adding the here after each and every word. So we need to merge it with article défini. Now see how we do it. The plus le, it is the masculine case. The plus le will become du. It will be read du. For all the masculine singular nouns, the plus la is the case of feminine singulars in article défini. So we are taking la for feminine singular cases. So it will become de la for all the feminine singular nouns. The plus le. Here we have dropped this a and this e for all the vowel cases. It will be written like the le for all the vowel and silent h. Wheresoever the word is starting with h and that is not giving it sound, the plus le is equal to they for all the plural cases. Now see, when you merge these two words, the preposition and the article, it is giving the sense of the, from the, about the, and before merging it gives the sound of, from and about. Let's see how we use it in sentences. The first one is le livre dash petit garçon. Now again, first we will conclude the words after written the blanks are masculine, feminine or plural or are belonging to any vowel case. So the first one is petit garçon. Petit garçon means a little boy. So boy is masculine and here it is written in singular form. So it is a masculine case. La maison dash grand-mère. Grand-mère, grandmother. It is a feminine word, feminine singular. Où est la mère dash enfant? Enfant word is starting with a vowel. So we will put it in vowel case and it is singular too. Ce sont les photos dash monument. Monument word is given in its plural form. So we'll write here plural. C'est le frère dash Manuel. Now see, this word is a proper noun. It is not a common noun like the other words. Whenever you see any proper noun written after the blank, then no merging. The same thing I told you when we were using preposition a in article contracté, that we do not merge the articles with proper nouns. So here again we will use the same rule. C'est la robe dash Elena. Elena is again a name, so we are not going to put this in any of the category. C'est le chapeau dash homme. Now, homme is a man and the word is starting with a vowel, so we will put this in vowel case. Now see, I have made two stars here. What to do with these two words? With these two words, I told you no merging, so it means we'll come to this case. Now, we'll start. Le livre dash petit garçon, the book of the. Now all the words that we have merged are giving the sense of the, from the and about the. According to the sentence, according to the context you are talking in. Le livre dash petit garçon, the book of the little boy. Now it is a masculine case, we'll come to this and find which is the masculine case. It is du, we'll write here. Du. Le livre du petit garçon, the book of the little boy. La maison dash grand-mère. Now the word written after the blank is feminine. We'll come to these categories where the feminine word is written, the la. We'll write here the la. La maison de la grand-mère, the house of the grandmother. Où est la mère dash enfant? Now enfant word belongs to a vowel category. We'll write the le. Now how it will be read? Où est la mère de l'enfant? Where is the mother of the child? Ce sont les photos dash monument. Monument word is plural. We'll again come to these categories. Plural cases they. So we'll write here they. Ce sont, these are the photos of the monuments. C'est le frère dash manuel. Now here we have 2 stars. No need to merge the articles. Just go to this. If you read the sentence, sailor Fred dash manuel, this is the brother of the manual or of manuel. We say of manual. So it means no merging. So we'll come to this of. We'll write here the. This is the brother of manuel. Sailor Rob dash Alina. Now Alina again is a name. So again we'll come to this. But here you need to learn one thing, that whenever the next word is starting with a vowel, you need not to write E also. You will drop this E. We will drop this and you will just write D apostrophe. So it will be written like Sailor Rob de Lina. This is the dress of Alina. C'est le chapeau dash homme. This is the hat of the man. Now vowel case. Where is the vowel case? Here. The le. De le. How it will be read? C'est le chapeau de l'homme. This is the hat of the man. We'll read it one more time. Le livre du petit garçon. The book of the little boy. La maison de la grand-mère. The house of the grandmother. Où est la mère de l'enfant? Where is the mother of the child? Ce sont les photos des monuments. These are the photos of the monuments. C'est le frère de Manuel. This is the brother of Manuel. C'est la robe de Lina. This is the dress of Alina. C'est le chapeau de l'homme. This is the hat of the man. So this is the way how we use article contracté with preposition the and article défini in sentences. If you need to ask anything, any question, your questions are always welcome to do ask in the comment section. Thank you.